Hey guys, cubes and stuff here, and today I will be showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So I will be teaching you how to solve it quick. This isn't the beginner's method. So first thing you're going to do is look around the cube for a pair of two pieces, and then whichever side you want to solve first, that's two pieces, solve that side. Then after that, you're going to do an OLL algorithm up there. I'll show you some of those in a little bit. Then the first case is where this layer has none matched and this one only has one. So you're going to go R, U prime, R, F2, R prime, U, R prime, then line up the layer. Now I'll show you the next case where none of these are solved. So what you're just going to do is R2, B2, R2, and then align the top layer. Now the third case is where one layer is completely solved around and the top layer only has one part solved. So what you're going to do is R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, and now it's solved. So I'll show you the OLL algorithm. I'll show it to you with the white side solved. So the first case is these two are lined up, these two aren't, but they're facing the front. So what you're going to do is R2, D, R prime, U2, R, D prime, R prime, U2, R prime. And there's that solved. Now I'll show you this case. What you do is you're going to have the one facing you on the right, and then you're going to go F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R. And there's that solved. Now I'll show you the case where you have these two solved. These two aren't solved, but they're facing the sides. So you're going to have the one facing you on the right, and you're going to go L prime, U prime, L, U, R, U prime, R prime, F. And there's the top layer solved. Now I'll show you this one. So one solved, and then you're going to have it on the top left, and this one facing you. You're just going to go R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, and it'll be solved. Now I'll show you the opposite of that. So if you do that, that one isn't matched, so you're going to put this on the back right. Go R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. The top will be solved. Then there's this one where there's none of them on the top are solved, but there's two facing out and then two facing this way. You're going to do R, U2, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, U2, R. That's the top layer solved. Then for this one where none of them are solved but two are facing this way, then the other two are facing this way, you're going to go R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. And there's that solved. Now I gotta show you one more case where when you finish solving these, the bottom layer is solved and none of these are solved. So you just go F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. And that's a tutorial on how to solve a 2x2.